ceiling, so we're going to use some steel battens because the ceiling joists are quite a bit out. You'll see I'll shoot the laser, so I'm going to use this little thing over here and I'll turn it on, and what I'll do is I'll shoot a laser line around the room, and what I'll do is I'll find the lowest point and then I'll mark that, and then I'll drop my ceiling battens so they all stay dead level to this line that I'm going to use for the laser. So I found the lowest point in the room. It's this part just here, so the laser line is just touching the bottom of that ceiling joist just there. So if I turn around, I'll take the camera off. So at this point here, that's the lowest point in our room. But you can see here, the line on this side of the room, it's about probably 10 mils lower. So that side of the room is about 10 mils lower. So by the time you come over to here, the ceiling joist is 10 mil higher. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to the other side of the room, and that will then become the line that we're going to mark everything to. So I've just marked my measurement here, so that's the full length of my room here. So I've just got some tin snips here, so I'm just going to cut that off. Laser line there is sitting directly on the top of that fairing channel line. So we've got that 10 mil gap under that little ceiling joist, and then we've got this little channel. So the fairing channel is like a top hat profile, and that will sit in these channels and shoot across the rooms. So everything will be dead on to that laser line around the room now. So just finished putting in the fairing channel, slotting it into the perimeter channel. So it was pretty easy. I think definitely having two people is the way to go. Having one, you can do it, but man, it's a pain in the butt. And also it is an absolute stinker of a day right here as well. You can see me, I'm just sweating. It's just so hot up there right in that ceiling cavity near the roof tiles. But anyway, so what I'm up to is I'm up to these little ceiling hangers. So they're just going to go right against the hardwood joists, and so that will go up against that. And this is the the furring channel, which will clip into it. You can see there's little grooves here and here, and that just clips into it like that. And then that allows you then to move this piece on the joist just to make sure that this bottom level of the furring channels are equal. So the entire room then will be spot on. So I'll pull the laser back out again and double check all the levels as I do it, just double check it, and it should be easy. So give it a go. I'll probably have to pre-drill though, being hardwood, otherwise I end up either breaking the screws or cracking the timber. It's just the downside of working with these older homes, but you know, it's all good. Didn't show this before, but this is my little marker. So it's my little datum point. So I've dropped the laser down 20 mils underneath the point which I want to be the level point, or the datum point for the room. So everywhere in the room will line up directly on this little pencil mark. So I can just push that up or down depending on where the laser line is sitting in reference to that. And that way I can make sure as I'm putting on these little hangers that as I tighten them off, they're all dead on. Bang them on, clip in your little furring channel, boom, away you go, just get the bottom level, and that's it. Straightforward, love it. How good?